Hello guys, and welcome to another coding video. This is a brand new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make rock paper scissors in a console version for Python. Without further ado, let's just get started. First thing I'm going to do is just put in what we need to import, and we need to import random for the computer's choice. So we do from random import randint. Now this is up to you, but you can do it from a list. This is just how I prefer to do it, so this I'm going to show you to do it, but there's many different ways you can do it as well. This is just how the way I'm going to show you. So we put in a list rock, paper and scissors. Right, now you don't have to do it in the procedure, but I just like to do it to make the code look clean. But yeah, that's your choice. So now we can do player. So the player's choice is an input, because we're asking for the player's choice. Input, and then you can type whatever you want here, but I'm just going to type player choice, leave a space for them to type. And there we go. And now it is an input. There we go. Right, now for the computer choice, this sounds a bit more complicated, but it's not as complicated as you think. So we make a variable called computer, and then we make it equals to choice, because it's the name of the list we called for rock paper and scissors is called choice. So it's choice, so it's the where it's selecting the random value from. Then randint from what we imported earlier, brackets 0 to 2. And then close all brackets. We do 0 to 2 because this is index 0, this is index 1, and this is index 2. A lot of beginners make the mistake of putting it 1 to 3 or whatever, because they don't know that the first index is 0. But yeah, that's just how it works. The first index is 0. That's something that's worth remembering. Now we want to print the computer's option. So we would do this, add a plus, and just put computer, close the brackets. Now all this is done, all we need to do now is do the different combinations of winners. So the player choice, if player, the referring to player's choice is equals to, we'll do rock. Remember to use your capitals, because they're going to probably input capitals, and this is what the computer's choice from what you put in the list. So remember to use capitals, otherwise it will not work. And if player's choice that referred to is equals to rock, and then computer's choice is equals to paper. Oops, forgot my capital. And then that means that the computer wins. Cool? Because computer has paper, player has rock, computer wins. Now we'll do elif, meaning else if, just to carry on the if statement. We'll do player, we can copy and paste this just to speed up the process, then just change it. So we'll do player, here we'll change it to rock, well we'll keep it on rock, we'll just do all these combinations. Scissors, then that means the player wins. We'll change that. And we'll do elif again, copy and paste. We will do player's choice as paper, and then the computer's choice is scissors. Doesn't matter what order you do this in, but it's just important that you do all of them. And then that means the player wins. Oh, computer wins, my bad. And now we go again. Elif, there are lots of these, but it doesn't take that long, don't worry. Elif player is paper, then computer is rock. Oh, my bad. Player is paper. That means the player wins. Then we'll do elif again. We'll do the player choices as scissors now. You'll see what we can do for the draws. This means that the player wins. For the draw is much more easier. You'll see why in a second. And then I'm pretty sure this is the second to last. Oh no, got to put our elif. Elif player is equals to scissors, and then the computers is equal to rock. Right, and then that means the computer wins. Now, this is all the combinations for either the computer or for the player to win. They all have three different like print commands, right? But now if it's a draw, we would do elif player is equals to computer, just meaning that if it's the same thing, if the computer choice was rock, that means, and the player inputted rock, it's the same thing, that means it is a draw. Whoops, my bad. Now, to make this continuous, we want to call main in the main function and call it outside the main function. This call here will just make the whole program run, this whole procedure run, and this call in the main function, as soon as this happens, this code is executed, and then main is run again. So it goes again and again and again. Let's save it and demonstrate. Let me just save it real quick. This will be cut out anyway. Save it as whatever you want. I'm just saving it as you do. So player choice, remember just to input it as capitals. You can obviously make it so you tell the player to input it as capitals, but it doesn't matter. We input rock. The player choice is rock, that's what I mean. So it's a draw. Let's input rock again. Computer choice paper, computer wins. Let's input paper. Computer choice scissors, computer wins. Let's input scissors. Computer choice rock, computer wins. And it goes on and on and on as long as you want. And yeah, this is how you make rock, paper, scissors for console version in Python. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment. Tell me what you want to see next. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.